Hello, it's Carson from Comp 125, and I'm going to be going over Lab 4, 4.4, and 4.6 because those are the questions that had the least or no sample code in it. So I just want to go over those. In 4.4, I am looping through 10 by first declaring I as 0 and adding 1 for every iteration of the loop. And every time that happens, it's also going to loop through this in a for loop and times those two. So that'll look something like this. So it'll have like a chunk for each iteration of the while loop, and that'll spit out all these numbers. And then for 4.6 is the coin flip one. So the user is going to declare the parameters for the random number, and it'll pick a random number between those parameters, and it'll state it in the print. And then here I have two counters to count how many times heads and tails comes up, and then we use a for loop to loop within the range declared to essentially count or flip the coins how many times the random number says so. And then we use the if else statements to make coin flips. So we'll have a random number come up called flip, and if that is, and it'll be between 0 and 1. So if we have a if greater than or if less than 0.5, it'll be a 50% chance, and then else will also be a 50% chance. And then it'll tell the frequency, and it'll also print out exactly what happens. So it'll look like this. So enter the minimum, let's do 1 and 10. And it picked 4, so it did 4 coin flips here, and it shows the frequency here.